How much consensus is even out there when it comes to what the potential impact of these threatened tariffs?
Well, look, economists have been looking at the scenario if Mr. Trump goes ahead with tariffs on, say, $250 billion worth of goods. That's factoring in his latest threat for Monday. There you're talking about a hit of anything up to maybe half a percentage point of growth. So that's quite material. Now, the estimates do vary, and of course, it all comes down to the exact volume of tariffs that are eventually executed and the detail and nature of those tariffs and the kind of products that they target and the like. But at the same time, there's a feeling that, the initial batch of tariffs that were spoken about were manageable. With the figures that are being spoken about by the White House now, economists are saying we're heading into new terrain, and terrain where, if these tariffs go ahead, could have a sizable impact on the world's second biggest economy.
Enda, it's Tom here in Beijing. We heard from Yi Gang, of course, on Tuesday, talking about some of the policy tools at his disposal. What else do you think China can do to protect its economy?
Absolutely, Tom. I think Yi Gang came out very timely, made it very clear that the central bank is there and they will backstop the economy as they need to. And we know they have massive monetary and fiscal firepower if they have to. As you well know, for example, economists are already expecting some modest targeted easing on the triple R side of things to make sure companies that need cash and liquidity are getting it. Yi Gang himself said that in a speech last week. And of course, on the fiscal side of things, they could increase public spending overnight if they had to. And that's quite apart, of course, from the other retaliatory measures that they can take. They can shift order books, they can move production, they can move sourcing. So there's plenty of options that China has up its sleeve to counter a trade war.